Hello world and welcome. Today I will talk about um, really interesting and exciting topic actually. Last time I was talking about YOLO 5. Today I'm talking about the seventh version of YOLO, and I'm trying to introduce this topic a little bit, how you can do it with already a trained model. My name is Harris and let's get started. So for more content or more of these topics, or if you have some topics, let me know. Then I can also discuss these topics or present this topic regarding your wish. Um, yeah, if you like this content, please hit the subscribe button or leave a like comment there. First of all, I'm going to open the GitHub repository of YOLO 7, where you have all the code. And a little bit about the description, where you can see the average precision, which is here this purple line, where you can see that the seventh model is much more better than the sixth or the fifth YOLO model, and you can see it has around about an average of 56 to 57. And so the precision is much better, and it's, as they say, 120% faster. So it's much more faster in regarding calculation, and the prediction is much more better. And today I'm also showing you how you can use this already pre-trained model, how you can import it and just start it by either detecting an image or some video that you have or something like this, even your webcam you can use. There are some examples which you can use from this demo. First of all, you have to go to this website, and you are basically downloading this code. I did it already. Then you can already download this model. One of them, so I just took the first one, which is, let's say, the fastest one. But not so accurate as the other one, as you can see here below. And after you basically download everything, this is where I got it. I just download everything. I go to the YOLO 7. There's this detect Python file, which is actually doing all of the jobs. And I have here an example of a picture which we're going to detect. And then what you basically do is you open the command, and then you are just hitting in this folder where the detect Python file is. You just go for Python detect Python. Then you are loading the weights from the YOLO model. You have some configuration. Here's the image size, which is in my case 1280. Then you have the source. This is 32. This is the picture that I showed you before, and then you just go to hit it. After starting this detect Python file, you got some summary going on, like 24%, one traffic light, and everything was detected. And as well as the image is saved in another folder, which you can open. So it's basically here. This is the detected picture, and I'm going to show you how you can compare it with, because today I'm also showing you how you can compare the fifth version and the seventh version. So you basically go for, after starting the detect file, you have here on the left side the picture compared to the right side. So the right side is YOLO 5. On the left side, you have YOLO 7. And then now you're going to compare, like the average precision and so on, what was detected. And then you can already see some difference. For instance, the traffic light here on the left side is basically much more accurate. It's 85% comparison to 81. More people were detected, more handbags were detected. And what I find also interesting was that here on the right side, the people in the cabins were not detected, but here you can see on the left side, the persons were detected actually. So you can see the model is actually much more accurate. And this is even the light version, right? So there are even better versions with more weights and more parameters and, much more higher precision. But you can already see if you compare the fifth version with the seventh version, it's much more accurate and easy to use. You can see you just hit the detect file, and this is it. You just go for, you can even use this command. It's shown below here. And I use this command here. But you can also insert a video or something like this of your choice. So it's actually pretty fast, and it's really accurate, much more accurate than the other versions. So I would say it's really amazing, works really fine. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about it. So hopefully you enjoy it, and see you soon.